Hey guys, let's see how to install and format an SD card for the Tapo C400. I have the camera already working here, close to my window, as you can see. And it's working here on my cell phone, okay, on the Tapo app. So let me just grab the camera, insert the SD card so I can format from here. You see that I can have more than one camera on my app. So basically you just need to grab the camera, and here you see this flap that you can open and insert the SD card, okay? Super simple, just use your fingernails, open it up, and here you see the slot for the SD card. Just grab a good SD card like this Lexar. I have the link here in the description for this one, because you just need to use a good SD card, okay? Here's the capacity, 32 gigabytes, but here on the left side you see some information about the speed, and it's good to have a high-speed SD card to work with the camera because the camera has high resolution, okay? So let me just insert the SD card here. So there's no way to put it wrong, because when you try to put one way, if it's not correct, it's not gonna fit, right? In this case, you see that I'm putting it facing up, the same direction of the lens. I can just push it, and I hear click, then it's good to go. Right, then I can just close again this rubber flap and put the camera there. And here you just need to come to the camera and format the SD card, right? The camera is going to identify if the SD card is not formatted and let you know, but in any case, you just come here to the main menu, and here on storage and recordings, you see local storage, it says unformatted, so you just need to come here, tap on it, and initialize the SD card. Just click here, or you can just come down here and click on format microSD card, right? Now you just need to wait, depending on the size of the card, it's going to take a longer time, but it's pretty fast, as you can see here. So it's working, and the card is in a good condition right now. It's important also to check here that the card has these features of loop recording. It's enabled here, which means the camera is going to record in a cycle, deleting old videos and just recording the new ones. Then you come back here and also check the recording schedule. Here you see that I have motion detection for every single day of the week and every single hour. There's no way to put here continuous recordings because the camera works with battery and they want to save battery. That's the reason it's just recording by motion, right? So just come back here. There's some clip setting as well. You can have like the retrigger time. See here that I have in 10 seconds, and also the record buffer, okay? And also the maximum clip length. It's 20 seconds right now. So it's good to go here. Local recording here, record sound if you want to record audio as well. And motion detection, also important. You just check here if they have the correct zone. And if it's enabled here for motion, for person, whatever you want to enable. And here you can just check the sensitivity as well. From 1 to 10. 1 is less sensitive and 10 is more sensitive. So I will just leave here at 6. That's the default state. And come back here, can check the same for person. And I'm good to go. Then the camera starts recording, right? Just make sure that you check everything, format the SD card of course, and check detection and check the schedule. So you make sure that the camera is working, right? And then you can have some motion in front of the camera, just like I have here with the cars. You can approach your camera, ask somebody to move in front of the camera, right? And here on the main screen, you can come to the playback and download. And here see the recordings, okay? You see here recorded by motion, here as well. And here you can even expand and check here the recordings on the timeline, okay? And here you can also have the download clips, okay? If you want to export something and save it, you can save it to your phone as well. So that's the way you can just insert and format an SD card on this Tapo C400, okay? That's the camera. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here. your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.